Hello there, how are you doing? So you've come to this video so that you would learn how to print this kind of pattern, a square pattern on the screen, right? So make sure you hit the subscribe button or like if this video, if it was helpful for you after the end of this video. So let's begin. So in the program, first of all, we are going to be using this for loop, the looping statement. So it's like this: for integer a is equal to 1, right? This is our starting point. Then a is equal to or less than what? Let's say 5, right? Then a plus plus. That means it's going to start from the value of 1 up to the value of 5. So this a plus plus is an increment. So let me just show you. So let's say cout print the value of a to the screen, just like this. Okay, let's run it. You will just see it will print something like 1 2 3 4 5. That's what it's going to print, but in our video it's not that which we want. We will need it to print a star. So this is how you do. You just put these quotations, then you put a star character, then you print, you click compile and run. Since I've used the wrong quotes, we have to use this double quotes, yeah, then put a star within, then we compile and run, and you say it will just going to print 5 stars, 1 2 3 4 5 stars. But then, okay, if we remove this one, right, so that we want it to print 5 rows of 5 stars and 5 columns of 5 stars, right, all together combined. So we use the same for loop statement, but we're using another variable. We're not supposed to use the variable int a. We use int b or any other value. Int b is equals to 1, right? Then b is less than or equal to 5, because we want this to happen. We want this to happen within the first row, right? It's going to print 5 values of b, but it's not going to print b this time. It's going to print a star. The b value will be replaced by a star. So let me just show you. When I say b value, b is going to print 1 2 3 4 5, just like this. Let me just, okay, we have to put in increment here so that the program will just iterate until it reaches the value of 5. As you can see, it will just say 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Then, so the program, what it does, right, first of all, it reaches the value of 1, right? On 1, it enters into the nested for loop, right? Then it's going to check this statement for b is equals to 1. Yes, it not b is equals to 1. Then b is also less than or equal to 5. That means it's going to print 1 2 3 4 5, just like this, right? Then it's going to go on exit this inner loop, then it's going to run again. But when it exits this inner loop, it should go to the next line. That's why we put end line, next line, just like, let me show you. Let's just print and run so that you can see. As you can see, it's printing 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, because we've included the cout, right? Then, so now we do not need b, we need the value which was requested, a star. So you just put a star. If they request a hash, you put a hash. So let's just use a star, and let's compile and run our program. As you can see, guys, we have, and you have successfully, if you were following, we have successfully printed this kind of pattern in C++ using for loop, right? C++. So guys, thank you for watching. Cheers, bye for now.